Hi Jacob, I just finished reading your essay. Sorry for the late response. So the first thing I want to say is you did a really good job of addressing how first person point of view makes a story more emotional. I think you did a really good job with that. I really understood what you were trying to say, and I would, if anything, just add, maybe one or two more details to support that idea. As far as the personal and detailed portion of the prompt, I think that you missed a little bit with that. I found myself trying to understand, how you were proving it. That first person makes the story more personal and detailed. As far as the detailed portion, I gave you some things to think about right over here. Just think about first person, you're experiencing whatever the narrator or main character is experiencing by them saying I and we. You get to hear what they think and see and what they feel. And you really want to, put into your essay why that's important. Are there any things that Sarah told you while you were reading that you would have never known unless she told you? Like thoughts and feelings. So just think about that when you're answering this portion. I just think you should really, try and dig deeper into the text. As far as like grammatical things, you were pretty good. I love that you added quotations into your response. I think that's really good to prove your point. However, the way that you added the quotes, just as a future reference as you go on in your school career, is don't just randomly throw quotations anywhere. You want to just try and integrate them into a sentence. I gave you an example right here. Just think about how you would seamlessly add a quotation, because when you just throw it in there, it kind of just, it doesn't feel like your piece flows. But other than that, I think you did a pretty good job. I would just, clean up the details, and thanks for letting me read your piece.